I, Somi Harikrishna Pillai of Mauritius. I got a problem in my head called trigeminal neuralgia. In Mauritius, since 5 years ago, the first time I go to see my neurologist in Mauritius, because we have no neurosurgeon in Mauritius. I told him my problem. She gave me tablets to take, 125 milligram in the morning, called Lyrica, 200 milligram Tegretol tablets, and at the evening, 75 milligrams Lyrica to take, and 200 milligrams of Tegretol to take. After 2 or 3 months I have taken it, I see that the pain was diminishing a little bit, very little bit. But after 4 or 3 months, this began more than other first time.
This is just one of the examples of how trigeminal neuralgia sufferers go on suffering and the whole problem becomes chronic. The pain episode is one part, but because of repeated pain episodes, the person is under a continuous threat, mental threat of the attack coming, and the whole life starts getting affected.
I go to see the doctor in Mauritius. He told me if I have someone, relatives abroad, he will tell me to go to see a neurosurgeon here. I tell him that I am my sister who is in France. He told me, it's okay, you can go.
Now, he actually traveled to various countries, like he went to France, he went to various doctors, he tried various modalities of treatment.
Once arrived in France, I go to the Centre Hospitalier Universitaire de Limoges. She told me, Mr. Somi, who gave you this little dose of medicine? I told her that Mauritius, my neurology in Mauritius told me that I must go with this kind of medicine, this dose. She told me no, that I can take per day 600 milligram of 75 Lyrica and 5 Tegretol 200 milligram per day with 600 maximum you can take it. Then the pain will relieve totally. And also, I tell her, if you can do this surgery in here. No, we cannot do this. No, you have to take time. You have to take this medicine for all your life. It's like diabetes tablets or blood pressure tablets.
If he is put on high doses of medicines, then what happens is that these medicines make them drowsier, they start losing balance, the speech gets affected. So a chronic treatment with medicines, with change in personality and continuous threat of the attack coming if he or she misses the dose, just creates what is called as chronic pain syndrome. And that is why for the last 15 years we have been doing this surgery in a very focused manner, and our group believes that microvascular decompression is the best treatment if the selection of the patients is correct, and it has got the highest potential to cure this problem.
1 year pause, 2 year pause. This has gone for 5 years. Every time I have a festival, a programs in my place, at the end of the year, all the family has.
So what he is telling us is that whenever his children used to see him in severe pain, they were very sad. They used to be very sad.
Yes.
So this is an example of how this pain, starts affecting the entire family.
Today I can brush, I can shave, I can laugh, I can talk. You must see me. I am with these bundles, but I took quietly well.
We know that there are choices for the treatment. In fact, we used to do radio frequency lesioning some years back, 10 years back, but then with our research we realized that microvascular decompression, if done at the right time in right people, can really alleviate the whole problem.
Thanks a lot for Dr. Jaide Panchawa. After God, he got this miracle hands that has preserved my life.
I hope you all the luck in future and
Yes, thank you, my big boss. Thank you, boss.